Welcome to the Karma Buster Energy Clearing and Empowerment Program. My name is Joe Nunziata. I just want to touch base and just give you a quick overview of what this will be about. If you don't know me, I've been doing this work for over 30 years now, and I focus specifically with people on identifying and clearing negative energy and blocks. And that's what we're going to do in this program. But I added the word empowerment for a reason. And the reason is, this is not just about clearing it one time. It's about understanding that this is an ongoing process and you want to empower yourself to be able to do this. So this is going to be the critical piece of it. And this is going to be what makes this different, that you'll go through the identification of the blocks that you have or any energy you want to clear, how to clear it out, then how to identify it going forward, and then how to really do it at a high level. So take a look at the rest of this page or go to karmabuster.com. You can see all the information there. Get signed up. We're going to do this great program and also give you full support of what's going on and some great bonuses. So I look forward to connecting with you soon as we get ready to make this your best year ever.